Hello and welcome to another exciting unboxing, and today we're looking at Kill Team Moroch? Anyway, this exciting box was previewed during the Warhammer Fest reveals weeks and weeks ago, and so here we're having a look at the box set. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me this review copy to have a peek at and show you guys. And yeah, just the enthusiasm alone. I mean, initially when I saw this box, Chaos looks fantastic. Space Marines, I'm actually really impressed. I'm usually not one for Space Marines and gushing over Space Marines, but I like the looks of these guys, and they're really darn cool. It is almost tempting to just kind of dive into this box, paint them up, and have a bit of fun, but who knows? So let's have a look inside the box. Now, the box actually was supplied to me without any cellophane on it, so it's already without the plastic wrap. That's how it showed up. Not much I can do there. We're going to miss that part of the experience. So let's have a look at the back of the box, and of course we get the full array of the Chaos models in here. Now apparently these two models are from previous sets, but all the Chaos models or the rest of the Chaos unit are new. And of course the Space Marines, I do believe, are entirely new sculpts, and they're all in different poses. And this, what is he? Infiltrator Sergeant. This fella just cracks me up because he's dabbing. He's dabbing. Is he not dabbing? Is that not a dab? And then, of course, the set also comes with this new Frontieris terrain for Warzone. I think it was Nachman or something like that. But anyway, it comes with this terrain, and I hadn't a chance to look at it. And so it's coming in this set. So I think this is really interesting. I like that we get two new boxes, or two new units, and we get all this new terrain. I think that's really cool. So the box contains the Kill Team Moroch Rule Manual, transfer sheet for the Phobos Strike Team, the Kill Zone Moroch, I don't even know if I'm saying that right. It is a 30 by 22 inch Kill Team game board. So that's the big card. Is it going to be card, I guess? I don't know. And then, of course, the Frontieris terrain. It includes 22 Citadel miniatures, full-blooded Kill Team, including 12 operatives, and full Phobos Strike Team Kill Team, including 10 operatives. And so that's it. It's pretty straightforward, really. Just the rulebook, transfers, miniatures, terrain, everything you need to get started into Kill Team. I'm going to assume. I have no idea. I have not even opened this box. How do I get into this? How do I get into this box? Here we go. It's got one of those little tabby deals. It's not like the full lid. It is opening it up from the side. Jeepers. Okay, here we go. We're diving in. Oh, I got it the wrong way. Oh, man. Should have rehearsed this. Oh, look at the box has kind of a digital camo pattern on it. All right. You know what? Probably we don't need this thing in the shot. Seeing as how this thing is just one big drawer. Oh my gosh. Holy moly. Yep, that's the box, as boxes tend to be. Oh my gosh, look at all this stuff. This thing is huge. Now, I have not had a look at this terrain before. Wow. Sniff test? The smell of new plastic. I love the smell of new plastic in the morning. Smells like victory. Oh, look how big the radar dish is. Jeez Louise. This stuff is huge. I dig it. I'm kind of more excited about the terrain now. I don't know what to say. It's nice looking stuff. Can I get to this sprue here? Yeah, we can. Some columns. I think this is for the tower to the radar dish. Yeah, I dig it. Man, oh man. Men alive. There are men alive. Okay, here we go. Now, here's the interesting thing. I figured with the Space Marines, they would have been more monopose. But here, judging by this, I mean, each leg is separate. The torso is 2 halves. The arms are separate. Head, backpacks. I'm a little surprised here. They have identical heads. Or mostly identical heads. Huh. There are 2 sprues. So I'm going to assume each sprue is 5 Marines. I only see 5 backpacks on the sprue. So it is 2 sprues of plastic Marines. Very, very interesting. A lot of bits. Like, man, like you have tons of options here. The unhelmeted heads. Man, there's all sorts of stuff with these guys. Very, very cool. The guy's got the big bomb. Are they identical sprues? They must be. Yeah, they're identical. They are identical sprues. Let's see there. So, very, very interesting with the Space Marines. Here is the Ogre. Oh, and the Commissar Duder. Oh, he looks like a Commissar. I don't know if he actually is a Commissar, but yeah, they're both on 1 sprue. That's interesting. So who's this? This is for the new Chaos Duder. So I see that shield and spikies. It's heads and weapons. Very, very interesting. Another sprue. Oh, this is more Space Marine stuff. It's more options and weapon bits. I can see like bolt guns with straps, servitor things, servo skulls, more helmets. It kind of makes me wonder now, if that sprue of Phobos Marine dudes is going to be like a future release of like just regular, kind of like what they did for the last kill team with the Corsairs. The Corsairs have 2 options to be assembled in that. They can either be set up as the Void Scarred or as regular Corsairs. So I'm wondering if that's Phobos Marines, like regular Phobos Marines, or the kill team. The sprue of Chaos Warriors. Tons of options. This looks like it's all 10 of them on the sprue. Plus all the little upgrades and stuff. Very, very cool. Lots of heads. Yeah, they're not identical sprues, I think. But lots of head options. All sorts of guns. Very, very exciting. And of course we get back to the terrain. Look how big and chunky these pieces are. Very, very cool. I'm more excited about this terrain than anything, I think. Oh my gosh, this piece is heavy. It's a base flew out. It's the walls. These things are just solid pieces of plastic. Like, this is heavy. Like, you hurt somebody with this. I always end up saying that, but I never actually do end up hurting anybody. Just saying. It's more of an empty threat. More wall sections, or maybe these are for the main building. Yeah, maybe these are for the main building. Very cool. I'm looking forward to this terrain. I think that's what I was most excited about with this box set, was the terrain. Yeah, look at all the detail. Wouldn't be 40K without Gothic archways and buttresses. Buttress. Anyway, let's have a look past the pretty artwork. Kill teams. Chaos versus Space Marines. So we get a transfer sheet for the Phobos. We get all the bases. We get our book plus assembly guide. Now, is this book a complete book, or is this more like a supplementary? I bet you it's probably more supplementary. And then of course, yes, oops, bumped everything now. Yeah, and the mat, or the playing surface, is card. It's the heavy card kind. which is kind of cool. I like the card kind rather than the paper stuff, because I don't know, the paper one is just kind of junky, whereas the card, you know, feels like card, like, you know, it's a proper surface, right? But anyway, that is it. I guess we can have a look at the main book. Can we get in here? Oh, I can use my knife. Yay! My knife is being used in this video. Let's try not to ruin my books. Get in there. Get in there. There we go. So let's have a look inside. Peel that cellophane back. Some ASMR for y'all. And of course, the book. Sniff test on the books. Oh yeah, smells like freshly printed book. So the assembly guide should be pretty straightforward. Terrain, units, right? All that stuff. Very, very cool. And the main book itself gives us all our missions, rules for the terrain, rules for the units. Yeah. And some fluff. So this is more like the campaign books. Do you need to have a copy of Kill Team in order to play this? It would appear so. Hold on, let me have a look here. All right, so that is the Kill Team Moroch box set unboxing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. I think this is really, really exciting. The Space Marines, I think that is a two assembly kind of thing, just kind of like what we saw with the Corsairs and Chaos box set for Kill Team, where basically they can be assembled in two different ways, either be the Kill Team or be for regular 40K armies. I can definitely see this sprue of Chaos cultists being sold, and many Chaos players picking them up, because everybody needs meat for the grinder, right? Everybody does. Who doesn't? Who doesn't? So, huge thank you to everybody. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Hopefully you guys are looking forward to this box for everybody out there who is, you know, looking to pick up this box. And yeah, big thank you to my patrons. Without your support, these videos would not be possible. If you're considering Patreon support, click the link in the description below. And a huge thank you to everybody who does for their continued support, and for all you brand new ones as well. If you're not able to support monetarily, thumbing up the video, liking, following, subscribing, commenting, ringing the bell, blah, 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 all helps as well. Take care of your brushes. They'll take care of you. And I will see you in the next unboxing or useless review or whatever crazy video I'm doing next.